For A, okay, if I multiply 1 with 1, 100 times, we're going to end up with 1, right? Because multiplying 1 with 1 gives you 1. So if you have 100 ones multiplying together, you'll still end up getting 1. For B, 0 times any number is going to be equal to 0. So 0 times 0 50 times will still give us 0. Okay, as for C, right, 2 to the power of 4 is the same thing as, right, multiplying 2 4 times. Okay, but we know that 2 times 2 is 4, right? And then 2 times 2 is 4 again, so we just need to multiply 4 times 4, which gives us 16. Okay, for D, 10 cubed, right? If you multiply 10 to any number, all you do is add a 0 at the end. So here we have 3 10s multiplying together, so we add, right, 3 zeros to 1. Okay. For E, right, it's the same concept as D, right? If you multiply 1,000 to any number, you add 3 zeros. So if you multiply 1,000 with itself, right, then you're adding 6 zeros total after the 1.